Hi guys, the word of this week is careful. So what are we going to do today? We are going to have a look at some words which have a similar meaning to careful, which you might expect on your GRE. What do we mean by this word careful? Careful means when we make an attempt of avoiding any kind of potential danger, harm or mishap. Now let's see what are some of the words that we might encounter which mean careful. So one of the common ones is cautious. Then we have caveat, carry, circumspect, gingerly, heedful, leery, prudent, wary. So these are words that would mean that a person is being careful. He is showing heed to a situation, or I am wary of this person. I am careful of this person. On the other hand, the opposite or antonym of careful would be rash. So some of the words that would mean rash would be daredevil. The person is being really rash in his decision making. He is a daredevil. Folly, foolhardy, cursory, reckless, unprejudiced and impulsive. So these are some of the words that would act as antonyms of the word careful. So that's our family of this week, careful.